All right, so when you're putting styling product in your hair, you always want to make sure it's towel dried really well. You don't want excess water in your hair. Then what I do is I make sure I use my smoothie brush to get all the tangles out. Today I'm choosing Embellish Foam because I'm going to do a big body blowout, and this is going to give me the most volume. So I'm just going to use a pump to start. Put it in your hands, rub it all over your hands. Make sure it's all over your hands. I'm going to start right in the front section. So I'm going roots to ends in my front. It's really important that I get it roots to ends. Now that I know I'm getting it from roots to ends and I don't have any more, I can go in for my second pump. So another pump, rub it in all over my hands, and now I can go roots to ends on the back. You really want to make sure your product is evenly distributed everywhere to get the maximum results. Now that it's all in there nice and even, nice and lightly, not overdoing it, I'm going to go ahead and style my hair. Notice how the foam gives it like tons of bounce and body, but it's still really smooth and shiny, and it just makes my hair feel thicker.